size of the invisible dimension. To get some idea as to how vast the invisible dimension is relative to the visible dimension, we need to look at creation that happens in the natural world. Now, if you look at a tree, the tree produces seeds through which more of its own kind get perpetuated. Now, how much of the tree becomes the seed? A very small part. Likewise, when parents produce offspring, how much of the parent becomes the offspring? Just two cells, one from the mother, one from the father, they unite and the child becomes. So you can see that the portion, the part of the creator that becomes the creation is a very infinitesimally small part of the creator. So from that you can get some idea as to how vast the divine is. A very small part of the divine has become creation in the invisible. Now from the visible, invisible dimension, the visible dimension becomes. And the visible dimension is also a very small part of the invisible dimension. And you can get some idea of this from your own mind. In a day, you have many thoughts. Do you express all of them? The answer is no. What percentage of the thoughts do you express? A very small percentage of your thoughts are expressed in words, and even fewer are expressed in actions. All right? So from that you can get some idea as to how vast the invisible dimension is, because a small part of the invisible dimension descends into the visible, provided there are right channels available through which the invisible can manifest. If the right channels are not available, then it will remain in the invisible dimension till such time as the right channel is available. So we have to realize how insignificant we are when it comes to the invisible dimension and the source of the invisible dimension that is commonly called God.